Hi, this is Jason here. Have you used to get this challenge? The challenge is you are running a good webinar. But when you are running a good webinar and people love your content, okay, they say I like about it, what I share about it is like gold, okay? And people really love your content. But end of the webinar, what happens is you don't get a lot of people book appointment, or you don't get any people buy your product. Okay, I used to face the problem as well, and I used to see a lot of the presenters, they face the problem. I tell you the reason why. The reason why is you are educating, you are not inspiring. What does it mean? Okay, educated people, that means you share like a valuable content. Make sure they're learning something, they get a value from you, okay? But they will never buy from you. Why? Because people feel they get enough value from you, they have to take time to digest the content you are sharing with them, so they are not taking any action in the webinar. Okay, I used to do it in the one-on-one sales meeting. I've done a lot, like sharing a lot of content with people, so they're not buying from me. Then I figure out, okay, the reason why they're not buying from me is because I have not successfully and lead them to a place called a buy zone. What do you mean buy zone? Imagine about this. Let's say, I guess in anyone's life, you made some of the big decision before. Maybe the decision is quit your job. Maybe the decision is buy your first property. Maybe the decision is getting married. But it doesn't matter what decision you made, you are in the buy zone. You were in the buy zone. So, what are you trying to sell? I don't know what product you are trying to sell on the webinar, but you are trying to get the prospect into the buy zone. So the easiest way to get people in the buy zone is linking the product you are selling to the reason why they come to the webinar. Because one thing I realized, the reason why they come to the webinar is the reason why they buy. So before you run a webinar, you have to do a survey, find out what is the reason why they come to webinar. That is the reason why they will buy. By the way, if you want to learn more about it, just comment, convert. Then I'm going to invite you to one of my free training to help you boost webinar conversion rate.